Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I tried to watch the one video from my TikTok application, but unfortunately my TikTok videos are not opening, and also it shows on error notification and the message is failed to load and please try again later. So how to fix this kind of error notifications in your TikTok application? But before going to the tutorial, first of all, why this error message is occurring? And my guessing is maybe your mobile data network is not working properly, or if you are using Wi-Fi network, this Wi-Fi network connection has some issue. So how to solve this problem? So let's get started. So first of all, open your Android mobile settings and then go to SIM cards and mobile networks. So in top it shows material SIM card names, but you can press your data connection SIM card. So I try to select Geo and the first one. Friends, one thing remember it, if you are using 4G network, always check if this volte enable option is enabled or not. If not enabled, just click to enable it and then go to access point names. So in top it shows my APN settings, but you can reset this APN settings by simply press reset option and it is placed at the bottom, and then it shows restoring default APN settings. So you can wait for some moments. And finally the process is completed. So once you done this process, just restart your Android mobile, and this is for if you are using mobile data network. So next method is if you are using Wi-Fi network, just long press that Wi-Fi icon in your notification panel. So here you can check your Wi-Fi connection status, which means that your Wi-Fi network is connected or not, and then click to open your connected Wi-Fi network by press that arrow mark. So here you can check your Wi-Fi connection status, which means that your Wi-Fi connection signal strength, and also check some settings in this section. And the first one is always you can use proxy setting as none. And the another one is just use IP setting as DHCP, and the first one. So finally once again I try to connect this same network by press this forget network settings and then click to OK. And once again I try to connect the same network. So finally my Wi-Fi connection works very smoothly, and close all the settings window. And once again I try to watch the same TikTok videos in my Android mobile because I try to check it if this trick works or not. So finally here you can see my TikTok videos are now starts to streaming, and this trick works very smoothly. So this is the way you can easily fix your TikTok error notifications by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.